I came into downtown Houston and walked around a bit before heading over to the Foundation Room at the House of Blues, where I was invited to play a 30-minute set up there with Bex and Foxmouth. Downtown Houston, of course, is the heart of the city of Houston. It's a bustling city center, and it's the central business district. So this is where you got all those businesses and companies coming together, filling up a bunch of skyscrapers. Houston, of course, is really big on oil and gas and energy, so that's a lot of the companies that you find here, which is kind of unusual in that a lot of other cities have a bigger diversity of the type of companies that are there, while Houston is pretty specific with that focus on energy. So you can walk around and find those really big towering skyscrapers that are impressive, like the JP Morgan Chase Tower, Wells Fargo Plaza, TC Energy Center. Those are all some big old buildings. And there's also a collection of diverse art and culture here in downtown Houston, including a whole district of theaters called the Theater District. And sports is really big right here too. The Houston Astros play right here downtown at Maid Park, and then the Rockets play right nearby at the Toyota Center. So after I parked, I heard some live music and basically just followed the music, and I discovered this place called Discovery Green. This is a whole park. It's one of the biggest parks in downtown Houston, and it was really cool to see because you had a bunch of families out there. There was playgrounds. They have some food vendors there. They previously had a roller rink up here, and sometimes during the year they actually have kayaking here too, and some water. So walking around Discovery Green, seeing people of all ages here, people from different backgrounds, really gave a sense of Houston city life, and the people who think of coming here to relax and get some food and catch some music on a Thursday night. And this is something they do frequently on Thursday nights. It's a whole series called Thursday Night Concerts. And on this night, they had Cam Franklin and Micah Edwards up there playing to a bunch of people out there on the lawn. From there, I walked to the House of Blues, which is part of a whole complex of buildings. It's actually part of a shopping mall called Greenstreet. And walking around Greenstreet, you can even catch the different areas of the House of Blues. You know, they got a restaurant area where they got open mics. They've got the Bronze Peacock Room, and walking around Greenstreet, you can actually find the Walk of Fame where they feature some of the favorite Houston Astros, Houston Rockets players. So I walked around the side of the building to catch the entrance to the Foundation Room, which is up a few stories, and it feels a bit hidden and a bit like a speakeasy. They took me there through this corridor. It felt like a bit like of a maze. And then you come into the Foundation Room, and they have a real interesting decoration in there. It looks very historic and very cool, and it's a great place to grab some good drinks too. So they had Foxmouth up there playing on this night, and then Bex went up there too, and then I went up there and played my own 30-minute set to a nice crowd of folks there at the Foundation Room.
And so I do like to promote responsibility up here. I regard myself as a responsible person. Unless you try to get me to watch your cats or take care of your cats for you. I'm not responsible enough for that. One of my friends, I think that you shouldn't be able to ask people to watch your cats unless that person has owned a cat at one point in their life. Because if you own a cat, then you're owning it too. Anyway, folks, I know drugs are cool, but just try to be careful with your drugs. So you're sitting on the stage with glint in your eye, grin in your face. She's a little bit tipsy, a little bit lucky, and the night was getting late.
Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music scene of Texas, so be sure to check out the tons of videos I got about that on my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe and the bell button to stay tuned on my posts here. Let me know what else I should be checking out, and thank you for your support.
And so this song is about how if the weather is bad in the past, then it's probably also going to be bad again in the future. Oh, when the wind blows in today, it won't blow much stronger than it did yesterday. And when the wind blows in Well, you know, it's when you know, when you know, when you